Welcome back to another episode of Dietitian. Today we are going to discuss about 5 food sources of omega-3 to boost your immunity. From having kodhas to exercising daily, we have not left any stone unturned when it comes to boosting our immunity. Talking about keeping the immunity strong, omega-3 is one nutrient not often talked about but is a critical component of a healthy and balanced diet. Omega-3 fatty acid provides you with good calories, gives your body energy, helps boost heart function, improves psychological health, enhances lung capacity, fights inflammation, and aids better immune response along with improving the endocrine system. There are 3 types of omega acid, including alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. There are a variety of fats that your body can produce. Omega-3 is an essential fatty acid that has to be consumed directly from food sources. Thus, it's extremely important to have foods that are rich in omega-3. Here are 5 common food sources of omega-3. Number 1. Seeds. Flax seeds and chia seeds have a high amount of omega-3 fatty acids. These seeds are also packed with iron, magnesium, and fiber that can help you fight high cholesterol and protect you from harmful free radicals produced during the metabolic processes. Number 2. Walnuts are densely rich in omega-3 fatty acids, good for heart health and work wonders in reducing appetite. Walnuts also have monounsaturated fats that improve blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and have anti-inflammatory properties. Number 3. Fish. If you are a non-vegetarian, fish is a great source of omega-3 for you. Most types of fish such as salmon and mackerel are high in omega-3 content. These fish varieties are rich in protein and magnesium, which can help with muscle recovery and reduce the risk of heart diseases. They also provide you with vitamin B12, D and selenium and thus help in building immunity and improving mental health. Number 4. Soybeans. Apart from providing omega-3, soy is a good source of fiber and protein. Consuming soybeans helps in reducing heart disease and improves heart health. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are low in calories and are packed with antioxidants. The antioxidants in blueberries reduce the risk factors for heart disease, lowering LDL cholesterol levels and blood pressure. While omega-3 supplements are available over the counter, it's always best to stick to natural sources to get wholesome benefits.